is the channel of the family. J&T, and we with the peeps. Yeah, we got it, you just wait and see. And you know we with the prank, and don't you fall asleep. No, don't fall asleep. Chasing our dreams on the road to the riches. Doing our thing on the screen was a vision. Now we are well on our way to the finish line. And you never forget it, we did it as a family.
Good people, Cheatums. Hey, look, we back with another video. And look, as you see by that title and that thumbnail, man, me and my boys, man, we out here at the sale barn, man. Look, say hey to the peoples, man. Hey. Where y'all at? Where you go? Yeah, we out here at the sale barn, man. Got our little cowboy outfit on, man. Shoot, we ain't buying in today, but shoot, we just taking a look to see what all they got up in here, man. And shoot, we'll see y'all when we get inside, man.
In a few days. Ain't that good? I still have my wife on the mind if I don't bring money to it. I like that.
Just go up.
Bar. They kiss out. Oh, they good. They're good. Good. 245. 245, 60, 5, 6, 225, 6, 227, 228, 229, 229, 30, 231, 72, 32, 34, 235, $6, $9, 8, 9, 39, 40, 240, 39, 41, 241, 2, 41, 72. $330, $335, $335, $335, $40, 40, $35, come on, 8, come on, 30. You get another zero here, another go, another $3.5, $275, $275, $295, $95, $305, $305, $305. 5, 10, 15, 23, 25, 30, 35, 35, 45, 53, 55, 350, come on down, 3. These guys have 2 rounds of shots, fellas. 2 rounds of shot. Good kill that big on mark or good right there behind you. Good kill that big. The steers too. 275, 275, 80. See there, that's me right there. 75, 80, 380. 80 looking for 80, 75, 85, 5, 280, 75. Come on, Rick. 80, come on, Rick. Come on. That's fine. You get them happy. They'll have them over here. 350, 350, 375, 60 pounds, 370, 75, 80, 385, 380, 5, 880, 28, 28. Feel like you're careful. 360, 362, 362, 362, 357, come on. Right while you're getting on, see what they pay was. 230, 237, you come off, boys, you feed anywhere, I'm here, 230, go down, 231, 91, 237, 152, 231, 222, come on, 230, 230, 7. Took the half of 7, 230. 89, 10, oh yeah. Come on, that man, bro, me. Yeah, what's his name? Yeah, Will Cook. Will Cook. Just do Will Cook on that. Dog fine, but I don't know. I don't want, but I don't want, 101 said we're going to go play anyway. I don't want to. 102, 102, 102, 102, 103, 103, back to the 4. 104, 105, 105, 105, yeah, 104, 80, come on, straight away. Straight. Hey, might be a little charity cross. I don't know, but I do not know. $1.50 if you don't mind, you know. 150, sir. Bit of a grass, grabbing the money back. $1.50, get another, 150, 125, 130. Let me go away. 125 here, now 30. $1 pound for $1. For 10, for 10, 10, hold on. Put them on 80, put them on 30. Lead 30. After you bet 340, 345, sir, 345, 345, sit on, 340, put them on 0, 40, you bet. After both, you really go, $3.05, 305, 7, 10, 12, 15, 17, 23, 22, 325, 7, 9, 327, 9, 30, 332, 330, 330, put more 40 on there. You bet 379, so 80, so 379, number 80. 379, 375, 375, put more 80, 30. You bet you go. Appreciate it. You bet gold. You get on 225, 7, 225, 7, 30, 230, 2.5, 7, 42, 45, 7, 50, 2.5, 352, lead 250, put them on lead, put them on 32 bets. Good Lord, steer on the boot. Oh yeah, this is Chris's dad. Chris Moody's dad, yeah. They've been wrong. We had some real good together. We put holidays, usually a little behind, so we kept them. And they're going to have some good together. You got to go to round 5. 320, so they're going good at different reads. 320, so they're going 32, 32, 3, round 4. 34, 235, 230, so they're 333. Time, put them on 40, got it. You don't know the rest of the people about that. You bet. 280, 280.
Y'all enjoyed it. Y'all liked it. Hey, well, shoot, hey, sorry that our video didn't last as long as it should, you know what I'm saying? So it's all good though, you know. We'll have another video later on and everything like that. So I just took the boys out for a little split second and stuff, so just to show them, you know what I'm saying, the sale bun and everything so they can have a good time. But shoot, hey, look, hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, man. And shoot, hey, we'll be making more videos and content later on, man. Peace. We love y'all. Tell them peace.